am so excited about today's video. As you can see from the title, I'll be talking about what pretty much everybody has been talking about for the last couple of weeks, and that is the Besame Cosmetics Agent Carter Field Agent Lip Kit. Wow, that's a mouthful. I have been really looking forward to this makeup collection ever since Besame announced it. I've been stalking their website. I've been trying to figure out the clues that they emailed over the past couple of months, and it's just been a lot of fun waiting for this collection to drop. I love Besame Cosmetics. I've said it on this channel before. I have several of their lipsticks and I really love them. Captain America is my favorite superhero, and I also loved the Agent Carter TV show. I'm really upset that they did not renew it, especially since the last season ended on such a cliffhanger. So I've really been looking forward to this collection. I was going to do an unboxing video, but I could not wait to open this package when it came in the mail. So I thought I would do a review and a try on, which is why I'm not wearing any lipstick right now. The Field Agent Lip Kit retails for $68. You get 3 full-size lipsticks. Besame's lipsticks are normally $22, so you're basically paying about the same price per lipstick, but you also get the coolest packaging ever, and the packaging, the lipstick tube itself is actually different than what their normal lipstick is, which I will show you. I've never really been the kind of person to try and collect items from a makeup collection. The closest I ever got was when MAC released their Marilyn Monroe collection about over 5 years ago now, but by the time I got to a MAC, pretty much everything was gone except for blush, which I did buy the blush. But I can tell you, I will be buying every piece from the Agent Carter collection that comes out with Besame because it's just that awesome. That being said, let's start the review slash show and tell. So you get this in your package. It's not part of the Agent Carter thing. It's just their general little newsletter. It's called the Besame Bugle. It's so cute. It unfolds. There's makeup tips and tricks on how to use their products. They talk about their perfumes, and there's little coloring, a little coloring section on the bottom, which I think is so cute. So that comes with your package, and then you get this. This is just a regular cardboard box. It's just like the regular packaging of the outside of the kit. And it says, hand delivered to Margaret P. Carter, Griffith Hotel, New York City, New York. And it's so cool. It looks like a little vintage parcel. And inside you get this beautiful box. This is vegan leather, according to the Besame website. I've seen a lot of reviews of people complaining that the packaging is cheap, and I could not disagree more with that statement. I think it is really great quality for the price that you're paying. So I think it's really pretty. It says PC on the front, Peggy Carter, and then on the back it just has some of the information with the Marvel logo. And it says, an authentic recreation of Agent Peggy Carter's lipstick featured in the television series Agent Carter. So that's pretty cool. Then inside there's a little keyhole, which is cute, cute little detail. And then you open it up and you have the SSR logo on the inside of the package, which is so cool. And you get these cute little things as well. You get a nice headshot of Mr. Howard Stark for your vanity. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna actually put this on my vanity. I love Dominic Cooper. Howard Stark as a character has a special place in my heart as well, because he's also portrayed by one of my other much loved actors, John Slattery, who was Roger Sterling in Mad Men. So I'm probably gonna put this right on my vanity, because who doesn't need a little Howard Stark in their life? And then it comes with this really neat letter, and I will read it to you. It says Stark Industries on the top. It says, Peggy, Say hello to your newest pieces of tech courtesy of Stark Industries. For security purposes, it will appear to be an ordinary jewelry box, which is really cool because you can actually use this to store other things apart from lipstick. Pull that tab on the side to uncover the real gems, 3 lipsticks that pack a real punch. To make our tech as convincing as possible, these products will resemble the popular cosmetics brand Besame. To the public, these look like 3 top-notch lipstick tubes, but the numbers on the front let you know what they really do. Commit these to memory. 102 Sweet Dreams, a neutral red lipstick suitable for everyday wear. Careful with this one, a single kiss on the lips and your date is out like a light. 103 Forget Me Not, a natural rose shade that looks like your lips, but better. If someone spills the beans during a mission, I know it'd never be you. A single kiss on the lips and they won't remember the last 12 hours. And 104, Always Be True. A highly pigmented and saturated red. Dense, bright, and deep. Sometimes you don't have the luxury of good cop, bad cop. One kiss on the lips with this shade and no one will be able to lie to you. Use them wisely, my friend. Howard. So I think that is really cool. One of the things I love most about Besame as a company, apart from their high quality cosmetics, is the attention to detail that they give to all of their packaging, really from beginning to end when it comes to their products. It's not just like, here's a really good lipstick. It's here's a really great lipstick in this beautiful packaging that will look lovely on your vanity, high quality. It's really almost like a luxury experience to use their products, which I really love about Besame. Apart from the fact that they're all vintage, they're all based on vintage cosmetics, which is really cool also. So Howard told us to pull the tab on the inside of the box. And we do to reveal our 3 lipsticks. So these lipsticks are actually all 3 shades that Besame already offers for sale on their website, but you can see they're very different from what their normal packaging is. This is the Agent Carter lipstick. It says this one is Sweet Dreams, and inside it has the Besame logo. It's really hard to see, guys, I'm sorry. And then the Marvel logo on the other side. This is their just normal lipstick tubes, still beautiful. It says Besame on the outside, and then inside it just has Besame on it. The lipstick shape, the shape of the bullet, is still the same. This is the normal lipstick. This is the Agent Carter, and it has Besame on the lipstick itself. So really, really beautiful. So I'm not wearing any lipstick because I wanted to try on these shades with you. So 102 is Sweet Dreams. This is Red Velvet. It is this really pretty red color. Besame says this is a neutral red. Then we have, want to do this in numerical order, 103, Forget Me Not, which is Dusty Rose. I'm really excited about this one. It's this beautiful, almost neutral, pinky color. And then Always Be True, 104. This is Red Hot Red. I actually already own this lipstick in their regular, from their regular lipstick line. But I love the color, so I don't mind having another one because I would have probably repurchased it anyway when I ran out. So let's try on some lipsticks. I'm actually going to try on Forget Me Not first, which is Dusty Rose, just because it is the lighter of the 3 colors. So I'm using a lip brush to apply this one.
Tell me why you keep moving, little coquette. Tell me why you keep moving, little coquette.
So this This is Dusty Rose. It is a really, really pretty shade. I really like this. It's not like anything else that I have. I do have some more neutral brownie, pinky kind of lipstick shades, but nothing that is this kind of pink. And I'm really, really loving it. It's beautiful. Really nice. Okay, the next shade I will try on will be 102 Sweet Dreams, which is Red Velvet. I'm actually going to use a lip liner for this one. It's my little nub of a lip liner. It's L'Oreal, I think. Nope, Rimmel. And so I'm going to use a lip liner for this one because I actually have a red lip liner.
Tell me why you keep moving, little coquette. Tell me why you keep moving, little coquette.
Okay, so this is Red Velvet. Again, I really like this lipstick. It's a beautiful shade of red. It really does remind me of velvet. It's very lush. It is matte. It's just beautiful, beautiful red. That could go with almost anything that you wear. And last but not least, we have 104 Always Be True, which is Red Hot Red. Again, I already own this color, so I know what this looks like on me, but I will show you anyway. And again, I'm going to be using a lip liner.
Thank you, follow the ones who love you. Tell me why you keep moving, little coquette.
And here it is, Red Hot Red. Beautiful, beautiful, bright red color. I reach for this shade probably more than any of my other lipsticks, so I can definitely tell you that I love this shade. And now I have another one in this beautiful Agent Carter packaging. One of the things I hate about special collections like this, though, is that I never want to use the products. But that is kind of almost a good thing that they just repackaged colors that they already have, because if I really, really love the shades, I can just buy them again in their regular lipstick line. But yes, this is the Agent Carter Field Set. So I did some quick swatches on my hands just so you can see the differences in the shades of reds, because I know it's kind of hard to tell when you're not looking at them side by side. So this is the Red Velvet, which you can see is darker and deeper than the Red Hot Red, which is in the middle here, and then this is the Dusty Rose. So you can really see there is a difference in the reds there. So that is it. I hope this review was helpful to you. If you haven't yet purchased your Field Agent lip kit and you are still thinking about it, I highly recommend that you go ahead and do it, because this is limited edition, and once it's gone, it's gone. They will be dropping more Agent Carter collection items later this month, I believe, so keep an eye out for those. And if any of you are wondering what this weird shiny plastic stuff is on my arm, I got a new tattoo on Wednesday, and I had another one touched up. So I had some touch up done here, and then I got this new addition to my half sleeve. It is a tribute to Wanda Jackson. I know it's kind of hard to see with the plastic film on, but it says hard-headed woman. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen pictures of this already. And then that is where I stupidly put on some medical tape and tore my own skin off, so ignore that. But my tattoo artist now heals with Tegaderm, which I've never used before. It's a medical dressing that's used after surgeries and for burns and things like that. So she said it's really good. She's never had to do touch-ups since she started using this healing method. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. It is also National Beer Day in the US. So if you are a beer drinker, crack open a cold one. If you're not a beer drinker, a root beer float totally counts too, and actually sounds pretty delicious about right now. So that is it for me. If you've purchased your Agent Carter lip kit, please comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Tell me what your favorite shade is in the set, or if you have any questions about it, I'm happy to answer those as well. I hope you're all having a fabulous day, and I will see you next time. Bye.